Petras Kaite, could we please have you on stage, member of the Simas, Lithuania. Welcome to NXT 2026.
Hello, dear colleagues. Today I would like to talk about women in politics and their journey from the stereotypes to decision-making power. This topic is not only about gender equality, it is about equality of democracy, and whether our institutions truly reflect their societies and they serve. All right. So, research shows when, maybe you can do the next slide, please. Oh. Thank you. So, research shows that understanding all leaderships began much earlier than we assume. Around the age of 6, many girls start to associate brilliance less often with their own gender. Nothing changed in their intelligence at this moment. What changed is change environment around them. Small messages like be nice or don't be too loud or graduate ambition and visibility. Over time, they influence who speaks up and who steps into leadership. Globally, women representation in national parliaments has increased. Over the past 30 years, it has grown about 11% to around 27%. This is real progress. Yet decision-making institutions around the world predominantly men. Structural balance is still unfinished work. So, in Lithuania, women currently hold 40 out of 141 seats in our Seimas. This represents about 28% of our parliament. Lithuania stands slightly above the global average, yet still below parity. Lithuania was also one of the first countries in the world to grant women the right to vote in 1918. India, the host country of this conference, it's the world's largest democracy. Women actively participate in election and public life. However, representation in national parliament remains limited. Currently, women hold about 30% of seats in the Lok Sabha. Economic participation also matters. In India, women now represent about 1/3 of the workforce. As more women engage in economy, expectation for political representation grows. When women participation in political decision-making, public policy becomes more balanced and more representative of society. There are powerful examples of leaderships in Lithuania and India, as both countries have a strong personality. Now we have a new Prime Minister in Lithuania, Inga Ruginienė, also a woman. Economic power and political power are closely connected. Across the European Union, the gender pay gap remains around 12%. In Lithuania, it has recently been even higher. When income and career opportunities are unequal, access to political leadership is affected. New EU laws between 2022 and 2024, the European Union law to make gender equality. Key initiatives include Pay Transparency Directive, Gender Balance, and Corporate Borders Directive. Equality should be growing. The EU also adopted the directive on combating violence against women. This measure shows that equality must move behind principles and became an applied practice. So, let me finish with a vision. I have a dream where democracies exist, where no formal or informal barriers limit women's participation in public life, And when each of us has a daughter, the world will be fully open for her potential, not only to participate in democracy, but also to help lead it. Thank you.